In today's class, we will discuss all the questions of exercise 2.5. Hello everyone, I am Payel and welcome back to my channel Ganit Mathematics Classes. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. Now, solve the following linear equations. Number 1, x by 2 minus 1 by 5 equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Okay, now see, here all the terms are given in fraction form. Okay, so first we have to bring the variables together, then we have to start solving them. Okay, so the first one is x by 2. Now we want to bring the variables together, so in the other side of equal sign we have x by 3, and as it is a positive number, so it will become negative when we change its sign, and the other terms we will keep as it is. Okay, so this implies now x by 2 minus x by 3, this number we will take it to the other side of the equal sign. So as it is a minus negative number, so it will become plus 1 by 5. Okay, now what is the LCM of 2 and 3? LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Here the denominator is 2 and here it is 6. So we have to multiply the numerator by 3. Okay, so 3 into x is 5x. Minus sign, so minus. Here in the denominator we have 3, here we have 6. So we have to multiply the numerator by 2. So twice x equals to. So here the LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Similarly, here the denominator is 4 and here it is 20. So we have to multiply it with 5. Because 4 5s are 20. So 5 multiplied by 1 is 5 plus it is 5 and it is 20, that is 4. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. Okay, so this is x by 6 equals to 9 by 20. This implies, now this is x by 6, that means x divided by 6 equals to 9 by 20. Okay, so this implies x equals to, we have to take this division divided by 6 to the other side of the equal sign. So it will become what? It will become multiplication. Okay, so now here we will write, this implies x equals to 9 by 20 multiplied by 6. So if we reduce it to the lowest form, so by 2 it will go 10, this is 3. Okay, so this implies x equals to 9 3s are 27 by 10. Okay, so this is the value of this variable x, 27 by 10. We now move to the next question, question number 2. N by 2 minus 5n by 4 plus 5n by 6 equals to 21. So here variable is n and all the variables it is given together. Only the problem is that it is a fraction form. We have to solve it. Okay, now how to start it? First we have to take out the LCM of these three numbers 2, 4 and 6. So the LCM of 2, 4 and 6 is how much? Let's take it out. 2 and this is 3. Okay, so if you do it again, here also you can stop. Okay, so it is 4 and 3 is 12. That means our LCM is 12. Now see, here in the denominator we have 2 and here it is 12. So we have 6. That means 6 multiplied by n is 6n minus 4 and 12. That is, we have to multiply here by 3. 3 multiplied by 3n. That means 3 3s are 9n. Okay, now plus symbol 6 and 12. So we have to multiply here by 2. So 5 2s are 10n equals to 21. So this implies, so 6n and plus 10n. So this will become 16n minus 9n equals to 21. So now see, if we take this 12 to the other side of the equal sign, it will become multiplication over here. 7n equals to 21 multiplied by 12. Okay. Now n equals to, as 7 is in multiplication form. Okay, so if we take it to the other side, it will go to the denominator and it will become division. Okay, see here I am showing you the steps, but from the next sum I will do directly. Okay, see, this implies this can be written as 7 multiplied by n equals to 21 multiplied by 12. So this is multiplication of 7. That means when we take it to the other side, it will become division. Yes, as we have done in earlier exercises also. So, how to divide it? 21 multiplied by 12 multiplied by, it can be written as 1 by 7. As 7 can be written as 7 by 1. So, when we remove the division sign, or in place of division we write multiplication, so 7 by 1 will become 1 by 7. Just the reciprocal. Okay. Similarly, it can be written as 21 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 1 by 7. Okay. Now see here, this is the explanation of this direct step. Here we will write directly that this 7 will go to the denominator. Okay. So directly we can do this step. Okay. Now we have to reduce it to the smallest form. So 7 3s are 21. So this implies n equal to 3 multiplied by 12, which is equals to 36. Okay, hope you have understood. So see, from the next sum, we will do directly the step. We will add these 3 steps from the next sum. Okay, now question number 3. X plus 7 minus 8x by 3 equals to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. See here, variables are given in different forms. So first we have to write them together, then we will start solving our problem. Okay. X is there and minus 8x by 3 in the same side only. So first we will write them together. Okay. Minus 8x by 3. This is plus 7 equals to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Okay. Now in the other side of the equal sign, one more variable is there. Okay, so we have to bring them together. So first we will write down the variables which is there in this side. Then this minus 5x by 2, when we take it to the other side, it will become plus 5x by 2 equals to 17 by 6. It is there already. And this plus 7 we are taking it to the other side, so it will become minus 7. Yes? Okay, now see, this is x and other two variables are in the fraction form. So this x can be also written as in the fraction form, that is x by 1 minus 8x by 3 plus 5x by 2 equals to 17 by 6 minus, this can be written as 7 by 1. Okay. Okay. First, let us focus on this side. The LCM of 1, 3 and 2 will be 6. Yes. Now again 1 and 6. So here it will become 6x. Now minus sign. So minus. 3 and 6. So we are left with 2. 2 multiplied by 8 is 16 and x is 10. Plus sign. Here it is 2 and it is 6. So 3. So 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. And x is there. Okay, we are done with this side. Now, on to the other side. The LCM is here 6. So 6 and 6 same, so 17. Minus 1 and 6. So we have to multiply this by 6. Now 6 7s are 42. Okay. Now 6. 6x plus 15x is 21x minus 16x. Okay. Equals to minus 25 by 6. Okay. So now 21 minus 16 is 5x by 6 equals to minus 25 by 6. Now see, here 6 is there in both sides of the denominator. Okay. So we can directly cancel it out. As no other operation is there, that means plus, minus, nothing is there, only 5x by 6 equals to minus 25 by 6. So see, in the denominator simply nothing is there, only 6 is there. So that's why we can cancel it out. Okay. Now, this implies 5x equals to minus 25. Or this can be written as, this 5 will go to down when we take it to the other side. So minus 25 by 5. So this implies x equals to minus 5. 5 minus 5, if we cut it, so it will become 5. And minus sign is there, so minus 5. Okay. So this is the solution of question number 3. Hope you have understood this. Now come to question number 4. X minus 5 by 3 equals to x minus 3 by 5. Okay. So first we will write it down, x minus 5 by 3 equals to x minus 3 by 5. Okay. See, in the earlier sum we have discussed, when we take the denominator to the other side, it will go to the numerator. Okay. In multiplication form. Now suppose we want to bring this 3 to the other side, but it will become x minus 5 equals to, as it is in the denominator, okay, so it will become 3 multiplied by x minus 3. It will go to the numerator directly in the other side. Okay, by 5. Hope you have understood this. Okay. Now same with this 5, as it is in the denominator and we are taking it to the other side, so it will come to the numerator. Yes. So equals to 3 multiplied by x minus 3. Okay. So you may think that, ma'am, how you can say it is numerator? Yes, obviously it is numerator because it can be written as this x minus 5 by 1. Okay. So when we are bringing this denominator to the other side, so it will come to the numerator. Okay. So that's the, and in multiplication form, as it is in division form, so in multiplication form, it will come to the other side. Okay. Now just simply we have to solve it. So distributive property, 5 multiplied by x is 5x, minus sign, so minus 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. Now 3 multiplied by x is 5x, again minus sign, 3 3s are 9. Okay. Next step is to bring the variables together. So 5x minus 5x. This minus 25 we will take it to the other side. So here we have minus 9 already. So minus 9 first we will write, then plus 25. So this implies twice x equals to 16. This implies x equals to 16 by 2. See, this will go to the denominator as it is in the numerator, and it is in multiplication form, so it will become division. Okay, so x equals to, we cut it, so we will get 8. So here value of the variable x is 8. Very simple sum. Okay. Now, question number 5. Here the variable is t. So we have here thrice t minus 2 by 4 minus twice t plus 3 by 3 equals to 2 by 3 minus t. Okay. So, first, we will see there are many methods to solve it. I will do the simple method here so that you don't become confused. Okay. So, first we will take the LCM over here. Okay. Now, first we will write down whatever is given to us. Okay. Minus twice t plus 3 by 3 equals to 2 by 3 minus, this t can be written as e by 1. Okay. Now see, we have to take the LCM of these two numbers. And the LCM is 12. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Okay. Now, 4, here it is 4 and here it is 12. So we are left with 3. So 3 multiplied by twice t minus 2. Okay. Then minus sign. So we will put minus sign over here. Now here it is 3 and it is 12. So we are left with 4. 4 multiplied by twice t plus 3. Okay. Equals to, now here the LCM is 3. 3 and 3 same, so 2 and minus sign 1 and 3, so we have to multiply it by 3, so twice 2. Okay, this side done. Now we have to do a simple calculation over here. Okay. Now, first we will write it down. Minus 4 multiplied by twice 2 plus 3. Now, if we bring this 12 to the other side and it is in denominator, so it will go to the numerator. Okay, that means this equals to 12 multiplied by 2 minus thrice 2 divided by 3. Okay. Okay. Now, 3 multiplied by thrice 2 is 90 minus 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. See, here it is minus 4. Be very careful when you are doing multiplication with a negative number. Minus 4. So, minus, here the number is positive. So, plus minus is minus. And the symbol will become negative. Okay. So, 4 2s are 8 and P is there P. Now, minus and plus. Plus minus is minus, so 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Okay, now come to this side. See, 2 minus 5t, this term is in bracket and it is multiplication form with 12. So we can reduce it to the smallest form by cutting it down with 3. So we are left with 4 multiplied by 2 minus 5t. Okay, now see, we will bring the variables here in this side together. So 90 minus 80. This is minus 6 and minus 12. It will become, first let us write. Okay. Now 4 multiplied by 2 is 8 minus sign. 4 multiplied by thrice 2 is 12. Okay. Okay. Now 90 minus 80 is t only. Minus 18 equals to 8 minus 12t. Okay. Now see, we have to bring these variables together. So t plus 12t equals to 8 plus 18. This plus 18 minus 18 we have to bring it to the other side. So plus 18. So this implies 13t. 13t equals to 26. So this implies t equals to 26 by 30. If we cut it, so we will get t equals to 2. This is the value of the variable and the solution of this question. Okay. See, the sum is a little lengthy, but you just go stepwise. You will get the solution very easily. Okay. Now, come to question number 6. Here the variable is m. Okay, see m minus 1 by 2 equals to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. Okay, so here how to start? See, this is in fraction form. This is like a number or whole number form. Okay, but it can be written as m by 1. Okay. Minus m minus 1 by 2 equals to 1 can be written as 1 by 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. Okay. Now, see where in this term variable is there. In the second term also variable is there. Here it is only a number. In this term variable is there. So first we will bring all the variables together. So we will write m by 1 minus m minus 1 by 2 and this is minus m minus 2 by 3. So we will write plus m minus 2 by 3 equals to 1 by 1 or simply we can write 1 also. Okay. Now we have to take out the LCM of this 3 number which is 6. 6 and 1, so we have to multiply it by 6. 6m. Now minus sign is there, so minus. Whenever you get a minus sign and after that whatever term you will write, you will put a bracket, always. So this is 2 and 6. So 3, put a bracket, m minus 1. 3, nothing is there means it is multiplication, okay. Now plus 3 and this is 6. So 2 multiplied by m minus 2 equals to 1. Okay. Now if we bring the 6 to the other side, so it will become like this. First write it down, whatever is there. And this is 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. Okay. Now 6m multiplication with a negative number. Be very careful. So minus 3 into m minus twice m. Now what is the symbol? Minus minus plus. 3 into 1 is 3 plus. Now this is a positive number, so no need to worry. Okay. Now we have to write all the variables together. 6m minus twice m plus twice m plus 3 minus 4 equals to 6. So this is twice m plus twice m minus 1 equals to 6. So this implies 5m equals to 6 plus 1. So 5m equals to 7 or m equals to what we can write? 7 by 5. Okay. So the value of this variable m is 7 by 5. Okay. Now question number 7. Simplify and solve the following linear equation. First we have to simplify, that means whatever is there in the bracket we have to remove that and then we have to solve it. Okay. Question number 7. 3 multiplied by t minus 3 equals to 5 multiplied by twice t plus 1. Okay. So this is in multiplication form. So just using the distributive property, it will become thrice t minus symbol, so minus 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10 and t is there, so t plus 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. Now next step is to bring the variables together just like previous sums. Okay. So thrice t minus 10t. So 7t. And minus sign is there with the bigger number, so minus. Plus 9 we will take it to the other side, so it will become 5 plus 9. So minus 7t equals to 14. So t equals to 14 divided by minus 7. Okay. Now with 7 we can cut it by 2. So it is equal to 2 by minus 1, or directly we can write t equal to minus 2. Because 2 by 1 and 2 is same and minus symbol is there, so minus 2. Okay. Very easy. Question number 8. 15 multiplied by y minus 4 minus 2 multiplied by y minus 9 plus 5 multiplied by y plus 6 equals to 0. Okay. So first we have to simplify it, just the distribution property of multiplication. So 15 multiplied by y is 15y. Minus symbol is there, so minus 15 multiplied by 4 is 60. Okay. So this is minus 2, be very careful. Okay. Minus 2 and y. So it will become minus symbol 2y. Minus plus. When we get 2 minus, it will become plus. Minus plus. Okay, plus symbol we have got. 2 multiplied by 9 is 18. Now plus symbol, so no issue. 5y plus 5 6 is 30 equals to 0. Now just write all the variables together. Plus 5y minus 60 plus 18 plus 30 equals to 0. Okay. So this is 13y plus 5y minus 60. So plus 18 plus 30 will become 48 equals to 0. So 13 plus 5 is how much? 18y minus, okay, this 60 minus 48 is how much? 12, and minus symbol is with the bigger number, so minus equals to 0. So 18y equals to 12, or this implies we can write y equals to 12 by 18. Now if we cut it by 6, we will get 2 and 3. So this implies y equals to 2 by 3. And this is the solution of this question. Okay. This sum is really very simple. Just you have to be little careful in this steps. In this step, when you are doing multiplication with a negative number, -2. Okay. Otherwise, it is very simple question. Come to question number 9. 3 multiplied by 5z minus 7 minus 2 multiplied by 9z minus 11 equals to 4 multiplied by 8z minus 30 minus 17. So, this implies just you have to remove the bracket by doing multiplication. Okay. Now 3 multiplied by 5z is 15z minus 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. Now this is minus 2. So minus 2 multiplied by 9 is 18z minus plus 2 multiplied by 11 is 22 equals to 4 multiplied by 8 is 32z minus 4 multiplied by 13 is 52 minus 17. Okay. Now see, we have to bring the variables together now. Minus 21 plus 22 equals to 32z minus 52 minus 17. So minus plus. Okay, we have to add this to number. So 7 plus 2 is 9 and 5 plus 1 is 6. 69. And minus sign, so minus. So 15 minus 18 is minus 3, and then 21 minus 21 plus 22 is plus 1. Okay, equals to 32z minus 69. Now bring the variables together. Minus 3z minus 32z plus 1 equals to minus 69. So this is minus 35z equals to minus 69 minus 1. Okay. So minus 35z equals to minus 70. So this implies z equals to minus 70 by minus 35. Minus cancel out. 35 2s are 70. So this implies z equals to 2. So this is the answer of question number 9. Now move to the last question. 0.25 multiplied by 4f minus 3 equals to 0.05 multiplied by 10f minus 9. Here the variable is f. Okay, now it is in decimal system. Now see, it is in decimal system, but we can convert this into the fraction form. How? 0.25 can be written as 25 by, for 0.1 we will write, for the point we will write 1, and for 2 digits we will give 2 zeros. Okay, that means 25 by 100 multiplied by 4f minus 3 equals to, similarly, 5. For the point, we will write 1, and after the point 2 digits, so we will put 2 zeros multiplied by 10f minus 9. Okay. See, this can be written as 4f minus 3 can be written as 4f minus 3 by 1. Similarly, 10f minus 9 by 1. Now, numerator multiplied by numerator by 100 and 10f minus 9 by 100. 10 multiplied by 1 is 100. Okay. Now, in both sides of the denominator, we have 100. Okay. So, here we can cancel them out. So, we are left with 25 multiplied by 4f minus 3 equals to 5 multiplied by 10f minus 9. Okay, now you may think how we can cancel it out. Say, let me show you just one step here. This implies 25 4f minus 3 equals to, if we take this 100 to the other side, so it will go to the, directly it will go to the your numerator, and the other terms we will write exactly by 100. Okay, so here we can cancel 100 and 100. Okay, and then we are left with just similar this way. Okay, so just we have added this extra step over here. So directly we can cancel them out. Okay. Okay. Now 25 multiplied by 4f is 100f minus 7. 25 multiplied by 3 is 75. 5 multiplied by 10f is 50f minus 7. 5 multiplied by 9 is 45. So now we have to bring the variables together. Minus 50f. This minus 75 we will take it to other side, so it will become plus 75. So this is 50f, 100 minus 50 is 50, and this is 30. Okay, this implies f equal to 30 by 50. Or this implies you can write f equals to 30 by 50, 0 cancel out, so 3 by 5. Okay, this is our answer. 3 by 5 is our answer. Okay, now if you want that our question is in decimal form, you want to change this fraction into the decimal form, that is also possible. So what to do? Just we have to make the denominator as a multiple of 10. Okay, so first let us make it 10. So it will become 6 by 10. How we have made it 10? Just multiplying both the numerator and denominator by a same number. Okay, so 6 by 10, which can be written in a decimal form. For 1 we will put the decimal point, and after 1 we have 1 0. So 1 digit, that was 6. So this can be written as 0.6. Okay, now see this sum, the answer can be 30 by 50. If you do up to here, this is also correct. If you do here, it is also correct. And if you want to do this extra step, this is also correct. Okay, now today we will end our class here only. Hope you have understood all the questions. And if you have any doubt, you can comment below. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Goodbye.